Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are doing absolutely fine. Myself, Surbhi Jain, Assistant Professor, SIRT Pharmacy, Bhopal. Today we will discuss a very interesting topic, that is role and responsibility of regulatory affairs in pharmaceutical industry. So before starting our topic, first of all, I would like to introduce the regulatory affairs to you. So in this, we will see the introduction of regulatory affairs, drug regulatory affairs and its departmental organization, various applications filed by DRA, that is drug regulatory affairs, major function of DRA department, regulatory submission, etc. So today, first of all, before starting our video, I just want to let you know what is actually the need of regulatory affairs in pharmaceutical companies. So what is a need? So the need of the RA in pharmaceutical company was felt back in 1950s due to the multiple tragedies which was occurred in pharmaceutical companies like sulfanilamide tragedy, vaccine tragedy, thalidomide tragedy, etc. So due to these tragedies, there are plenty of peoples who are suffered and who lost their life just because of the negligence of the pharmaceutical companies about the quality, safety, efficacy of the drug and the drug product. So let me now introduce you with all the tragedies which has occurred due to the negligence of the quality in the pharmaceutical products. I will brief you about some of the tragedies like sulfanilamide tragedy. What actually has happened in this tragedy? So sulfanilamide is a drug which was manufactured with the help of a solvent, that is diethylene glycol. So at the time of manufacturing of this drug, it was not properly checked that DEG is very harmful to humans. So this is just an example I have taken. With the help of by this DEG, the solvent which is used for the manufacture of sulfanilamide drug, it has caused many peoples to die. Why? Because they have not checked the efficacy or the the safety of the drug, safety of the particular solvent used in the manufacturing of the drug. Same with the case of thalidomide tragedy. Thalidomide is a tranquilizer which is used to treat the morning sickness, or just it is used as a sedative. So in pregnant women, it is used to treat morning sickness, nausea like the feeling which has arisen. So at this time they had not properly checked that thalidomide can cross the placenta and it will cause the harm to baby. So due to this, so many pregnant women, the babies who was born, they born with a what we say, the impairment called as phocomelia, the improper lip development in the babies. So these are some of the tragedies which has occurred. These are the very drastic tragedies in the history of pharmaceutical companies. So due to this, the FDA has arisen. They properly checked the safety of the drug products and the medicines. And at the time of licensing the drug product, all these things were properly checked. So the scene behind I was telling you this picture is the role of regulatory affairs. So actually what the regulatory affairs will do, they will just, it is a bridge between a pharmaceutical company and the regulatory market. So whenever the drug is preparing or the batch is manufacturing, we need an approval from the regulatory authority. Just for an example, a pharmaceutical regulatory authority of USA, that is US FDA. So we have to take the proper approval from US FDA for any new product which we are going to manufacture, which we are going to launch. So here also we are having again an industry expert, Mr. Anil Ramnani, with us, who will very sophisticatedly tell you about what is actually the role of RA and what is the job profile, what is the important functions of regulatory affairs in the pharmaceutical company. So please, let's watch this video. Thank you.
So first segment I will discuss about the regulatory affairs department. In the regulatory affairs, why there is a need of regulatory affairs, first you understand with this. Regulatory affairs is the department who deal with the drug administrations, either it is domestic, Indian Food and Drug Administration, or it may be the United States Food Drug Administration, or for Europe it could be MHRA, Ministry of Healthcare and Regulatory Affairs. So regulatory affairs mainly deal to starting with the key material to the finished product. It prepare the dossier, it prepared the DMF, which is called Drug Master File, and they is the key department. RA is the key department to get the organization approval for the marketing or manufacturing of drug product or API, which can be marketed into this international regulatory markets after getting the approval. And in the finished product or drug product, basically regulatory affairs deal to get the approval for generic drugs. I think all of you will know about the generic drugs. So there are so many key functions in the regulatory department also. It is associated with all the departments like production, QA, QC, R&D, PDL. So it was a short description about the regulatory affairs department.